Hello guys, here's some carbon fiber new parts available for E63 Mercedes 212 2014-15 model. Here is the rear diffuser. Okay, look at the quality of this diffuser. Replacement mirrors, of course, with clips. Steering wheel, which you already know, I guess. It is like edition look with all that nice stitching and all the details. This is the roof spoiler and the trunk spoiler. Roof spoiler is good because it is a continuation of your roof. It looks like a continuation of one panel, so it doesn't look like uplifted. So it's like nice sleek design. Trunk spoiler has those underneath legs, so it's basically like a high kick style. When this is how it is on the trunk. All right, let me try to show you. Okay, with all the details, with all that edging, shades, you know how they play in the night, in the evening when the sun gets down. Okay, so this is like 2x2 twill carbon. Look at this quality, guys. That's the lip spoiler here, front lip spoiler. Okay, basically that's the full set, okay, which goes for 2014-15 E63s. You can also fit for E-Class AMG normal. You just need to convert front bumper to E63 shape, and the rear diffuser can fit any AMG type of models. Definitely you need to add exhaust covers as well if the car is not 63 or the B-style exhaust. Thank you for watching as always. Hopefully you are interested in these parts.